Question number 9. It is given the line segment. You can take this one as A and this one as B. Okay, is divided by the point P in the ratio 2:3. So first we have to find out the coordinates of P. Okay, so let us find out the coordinates. So you will write x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, now this is m1 and this one m2. Now 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 upon 2 plus 3, and here you will write 2 into 6 plus 3 into 1, 2 into 6 plus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 3. Okay, then minus 6 plus 6 upon 5, that is equal to 0, and here you will get 12. 2 6 are 12 plus 3 upon 5. So 15 upon 5 you will get 3. Okay. Now what is P? P is 0 and 3. P is 0 and 3. So write P, we got it 0 and 3. Okay. Next they said this P is lie on the line x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. So check. Okay. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3 in equation 3x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. So you will write 0 minus 5 into 3 plus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 15 plus 15 is equal to 0, equal to 0. Now you can say yes, P lies on the line x minus 5y plus 15 equal to 0. Okay. So they said AB line segment is divided by the point P in the ratio 2:3. So we have to find the coordinate. To find coordinate. Okay. To find P first. And using the section formula, you will get the coordinates of P is 0 and 3. Next, they said whether this point P lie on the line x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. So you have to take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3 of a point, okay, P. Then put x value and y value in the given equation. And now it is satisfied. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore you will say yes, P lies on the line x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. Okay. Question number 11. Question number 11. Here it is given. Find the point of intersection of the lines 4x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 3x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Asking you to find out the point of intersection of two lines. So, let us take the point. Let the point of intersection be P. Okay. Now, two equation. One is 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. Other one 3x minus y is equal to minus 9. Sorry. 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. Other one 3x minus y is equal to minus 9. Now, we have to find the coordinates of P. So, we need x value and y value. So, apply elimination method or substitution method. Okay. So, what I am going to do it, I will multiply this by 3. You will write 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. 9x minus 3y is equal to minus 27. Now, add these two equations. So, these two get cancelled. 9 plus 4, 13x is equal to minus 26. X is equal to minus 2. Now, we have to find y value. So, 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. 4 into minus 2 plus 3y is equal to 1. Then you will get minus 3y is equal to 1 plus 8. Y is equal to 9 divided by 3. You will get 3. Okay. So, we know P is minus 2 and 3. Okay, you got the point P, minus 2, 3. Now, second one, P given, P lies on the line (2k minus 1 x minus 2y is equal to 4). It is given. Okay, they said P lies on the line 2k minus 1 into x minus 2y is equal to 4. Then take x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay. Now you will write, put x and y values in equation. Okay, 2k minus 1 x minus 2y is equal to 4. Right, 2k minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 4. Now minus 4k plus 2 minus 6 is equal to 4. Minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 4. Now take this one, minus 4k is equal to 8. K is equal to minus 2. What is the value of k? K is equal to minus 2. Okay. So, what is given in the question? Two lines are intersecting. Okay. So, we have to find out the point of intersection. You got it? After that, we have to find out the value of k. They said the point P lies on the line 2k minus 1 into x minus 2y is equal to 4. Then take, what is the P value coordinates? Minus 2 and 3. So, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3. Put x and y value in the given equation and you will get the value of k, that is minus 2. Question number 12. Show that the line x minus 3y is equal to 6, x plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0, 2x plus y is equal to 1 or concurrent. Okay, or concurrent. We have to prove it. So, you know what is concurrent? 3 or more lines passing through a common point. Okay. So, this is the point. This point is point of intersection. Okay, so take this point P as x and y. Coordinates of the point P is x, y. So what you have to do is take any two equation and get the point P. either by elimination method or substitution method. Okay, find the point P. After that, put this P value in the third equation and check whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. If it is equal, then we can say these three lines are concurrent. So, first what we have to take, any two equations you take, okay, and get the P value. Then put this P value in the third equation and check left hand side is equal to right hand side. If it is equal, then we can say these three lines are concurrent. Okay. So take first equation is x plus (5y) is equal to -2. Other equation, x minus 3y is equal to 6. So, first we have to take point of intersection. What we have to do? Do the subtraction. Okay, do the subtraction. So, these two get cancelled. You will get 8y is equal to -8, y is equal to -1. Then find x value. X minus 3y is equal to 6. X minus 3y is equal to 6. And put y value is equal to -1 is equal to 6. So you will get x plus 3 is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. Now what is point P? 3 and -1. Okay. Next we have to check. Now write. What we have to do? To check whether P lies on line 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. So take P is 3 and -1. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -1. Put x and y values in equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. So 2 into 3 plus 5 into -1 is equal to 1. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, the lines are concurrent. Okay, lines are concurrent. That's all.